This property is a 6-bedroom, 5 full baths, and 1/2 bath Mediterranean-style home. Interior features of this property include walk-in closets, a fireplace, a wet bar, a sunroom, a great room, a central vacuum system, a home security system, a summer kitchen, cathedral or vaulted ceilings, a bar, a bidet, a family room, an office, a spa, a pantry, an in-law suite, and a bay window. On the outside, this property features a lot with acreage, an attached garage, a water view, a fenced yard, an in-ground swimming pool, a patio, a deck, a balcony, a cabana, an irrigation system, a metal roof, and waterfront location. Community amenities include a bicycle or walking path and a gated community. The approximate square footage is 4,946 square feet. This property is represented by
Michael Tanner, Kai's Company of Realtors.